How to install Windows 10 in HP machine. Press F9 with a bootable media. If you press F9, then it will show boot menu. Here you select English India. Click on next. Install now. Click on license agreement. Click on next. Click on custom install advanced. This is your partition. Click new and just make 250 GB. Make it 250 GB C drive. Click on apply. Click on OK. This will create C partition. This is a 1 TB hard drive. Just wait for a couple of seconds. Okay, as you have seen that our C drive has been created. This is our C partition. Partition 4 rest is all system reserve and recovery. So select this partition 4, 247 GB. Rest partition will create later on. Click on next. So this will start the progress for the installation of the Windows. So once this process is complete, it will restart, the machine will restart and your Windows setup will be completed. Windows 10 installation will complete. As the file size is increasing, as you can see this that installation file is been increasing. So this has to go to 100% and then machine will be restarted. Almost going to complete, almost came to 95%. So the 100% has been completed, and this will just go for the installation features and updates. And this is almost complete Windows installation setup, and then now machine will restart and your installation setup will be ready to use. So this is complete. Just press restart your computer. Just a moment.
A little sign in here, a touch of Wi-Fi there, and we'll have your PC ready for all you plan to do. You can use your voice or the keyboard along the way, and if you'd like me to stay quiet, just select the sound icon. If you need an assistive screen reader, press the Windows, Control, and Enter keys at the same time to enable narrator. Okay, enough intro. Let's dig in. India, is that right?
Yes, select to India. Click on yes.
English, India.
Yes.
Do you also
Skip. Skip for now for the network.
Now let's get you connected to a network.
Skip it.
Type what you want to name your account.
Yeah, just type user. Here's the username. And then click on next.
Okay.
Password just skip. Yes. Accept it.
Okay, that's the last step.
So as you can see that our Windows installation setup has been completed. So in this way you can install Windows 10 easily. If any problem, any issue, then you can comment and ask me for the support. Thank you for watching it.